Guys, we are back. These are all the stuff we get this on press. These are all the stuff for God. So guys, we got 1 crate of egg. We're supposed to get 2. We're supposed to buy 2, but it can't be like say Infant Jesus market is cheaper and bigger. So I got just 1. No, once I show them this one, you start washing it. So I got 2 buckets of fresh tomatoes. I think it's 6.5. 6.5. Oh yeah, wash and what's that? Then I got this giant, mighty plantain for 7,000. Yes, 7,000. 7,000. I got water leaf 1,000 naira. This is bitter leaf 1,000 naira. So this is banga spice. I love this ufaku spice. I got it. I got 2. So we still have tomatoes. I got this one, half carton. I think 3.9. Yes, to add to the one we have at home. So I got coconut, rice, something. I got 2. They say make I try this Maggi. So I got this Maggi. Sorry, I'm not going to be changing the angle because I'm tired. So I got spaghetti. No, you can't take pepper now. Don't wash only that. Okay, this is the pepper I got. This pepper is 1,000 naira. It's very big, plenty. So I got, see the pepper. I got this spag, macaroni, pasta twist now. It's pasta twist. This is, I hope this groundnut oil is not leaking now. So I got this refill groundnut oil. This is 1 liter. So this is 2 liters, 6,600. That's what I got it. So we'll pull it. This is let me not be wasting this nylon. So this is dry pepper, 1,000, very cheap. Then Lucas beans, 500. This Jima is 600. I got 2. What else is here? I got Benny 3, 500. 2 big salts. I don't know how much, but I know it should be 500 or 600. Then I got this Maggi. Everything here is 2,000 naira. There's crayfish, there's chicken flavor. She gave me this one. This is dry onions. She dashed me this one. This is afang leaf. So I'm making afang soup too. This is shombo. This is 1,000 naira shombo. This one. Yeah? So this is spaghetti, macaroni and pasta twist. You don't open now. So I got extra onions to add to the one I have. The thing itself I've torn. Like all this nylon they are selling is not strong. So this onions is 1.5, very big. It's dry. When you go to the market to buy onions and the body is this dry and shiny, you know that is old one, it will last. But those ones that have plenty hair, those ones will spoil. They are new ones. So this plenty onions now is 1.5. It's still inside though. What is this? Okay, these are now wow. No, you better find one rubber. Give me. I don't have strength to slice it today. At least I have Ziploc now to not waste like the last time. So the carrot is 1,000 naira. Green bean 1,000 naira. 1,500. Then this one. If I tell you the price I got this one, you would think maybe I use gun to rob the man. People know that They sell this thing for 535. I bought it for 1,000 naira in Oko market. Yes, I can actually start business with this one. I got it for 1,000 naira. So I'm going to be slicing them later and put them inside my Ziploc. The last time I got these veggies, they all wasted because I forgot that I don't have Ziploc nylon. My own has finished. I go slice. That was how everything wasted. I wasted my husband's hard-earned money. Oh, forgive me. So this is dry fish. It's not that I need that bowl that you gave me before. I don't know if me and my sister rob the woman or I be the woman even cheat us. We don't know. We share they happy. Say we buy and wear. So I got this fish inside this Asaba. This one is like they will tell you 2,000 or so. It's dry though. It's dry, but I will still put it inside oven. Okay, dry well. I'm using it now, but okay, dry soon. So I got it for 4,000, I mean. 4,000. 4,500, yeah, 4,500. So this is one pint of beans. Got it for 4,000. The last time I went to the market, I got it for 3,000 naira. Now it has added one. Can see more onions. So I got banga for my oha soup and bitter leaf soup. So I'm making 3 different soups. This to last us for 4 weeks. This one, the nylon don't jigbole finish. So all these potato. I got it for 2,500. I don't know if it's worth it. If they cheat me, I pray it doesn't get spoiled too. Because this potato, the thing just dey vex me. At least I will have potato to do puri, potato and plantain puri for Jota. Because the kind of bite that boy bites me yesterday night, tears come out from my eye. All this potato is 2,500 that I got it. If they cheat me, make you tell me. Then I got yam. Mbaji. This yam. I don't know what I see in outside yam, but I like the yam because it's sweet. So I got each for 1,500. I don't know if they cheat me or they cheat me, make una tell me. So this man gave me yam that this place don't get bakara. He's angry because I no price and so I got 5 tubers of yam, 8,500. Yeah, I got that is 1,500 each. Here. So these are the last stuffs that we got. We almost forgot to even buy oha, cocoyam, abi, ogiri. So I got these plates for soup. They are very dirty. No one is going to wash it now. I got this for 400. Me, I'm good on the chapter 8. These people want to kill me. I'll buy in those. Then this one I got for 200. Oh yeah. Okay. I got this one because it's strong. It's very strong. Then I got Ziploc. I never knew they said Ziploc half in the market, but it's actually more expensive in the market because in Gaps I get this particular one. I buy the pack for 5,000 naira and it's 50 pieces. So this guy gave me 26 pieces for 3,000 naira. That is half. I had to get it. Then or her leaf. I got one. I beg. I don't want to be chewing leaf inside the soup. I'm not good. This one is 600. Abi? Yeah, 600. This is cow skin. Bomo. Cow skin. This cow skin, you know, get wetin I want tell me. They cheat me. Give me power. I was even telling my sister that this guy don't cheat me. But I brought out 4 big bomo and price it. So I 3. Because the ones I used to buy before used to be longer. This guy cheats me. See the one that I bought 5,000. My mommy will not hear this one. So say my mama dey here. Yes, I buy this bomo for 5,000. It go beat me. They cheat me for this. Cheat me. And I price 4-5. We still want me to calm down. I go to say 5K I will give you. So mom said I should stop buying those ones they used to sell for 500 in the bucket. That is not bomo. That one they used to soak inside water. That thing is not cow meat. I should stop eating it. So I go to slaughter and buy this cow skin bomo. If not be, I'm not the chop again. I got my phone temperature went high. I got stockfish. This stockfish I got for 3,000. Got cocoyam, yogurt. I got ginger for my tea. Then in here I have corn, dates, millet, and guinea corn for pap, for my son's pap. So these are all the stocks that I got. Cook it small, then we'll filter just the way we do it. And these are all the stuff that I got. Some are here. So yesterday, my husband already went to Gabs to shop for the kids. Their food and they want to go right. We want to start working. Want to start. Please let's just prep. Once my sister helped me to prep some things, she will go and rest. But the kids will soon come back and she'll be there to hold them. So she's blending the tomatoes now. So me, I want to go live. See my face. God, I need to rest. See my face. My way I do my body. I need to rest. I need to. I'll come and take my medication there and rest. So. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. See you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell to always get notified whenever I post any video. Okay. See you guys. Bye.